Hi, so you'd like to learn how to make cold brew. Hi, I'm Leigh, owner, roaster and brewer of Bee Coffee. Let me show you how.
Oh yeah!
So for the next couple of episodes I'll show you how to make cold brew in various different ways. First of all, very simple, we're going to start out with the French press and the mason jar. Then we'll move on to the Toddy system and the larger bucket. Another method that we've been doing at Bee Coffee for a few years now is doing cold brew in keg. The small one, 9.5 litres, and the 19 litre. And the way we're doing it right now, the 50-gallon brewer. I'm not going to throw this one. So over the next 3 or 4 episodes, I'm going to show you how to use all of this equipment. So stick around and enjoy. Our first how-to will be the French press and mason jar, so tune in to learn about how to make cold brew that way. Until then, please subscribe, comment or like, that'd be awesome, and keep on searching.